Welcome back to part 5 of this tutorial. In the previous tutorial we added customer profiles, catalog items, and inventory to our store. In this step, we will review how to take an order for a customer. This is the most important step in your daily use of Orderjini portal. First, log in using your credentials. Select Customers to view your registered customers. Now, select Sales and Orders and select Create New Order. Select a customer for whom you plan to order merchandise. Note, this step will be self-service in Orderjini's B2C portal. Start adding items to the cart by searching items in the Search Items field. We have 2 items to select from. Verify the price and enter quantity. Do the same for rest of the items. Do note that the tax and miscellaneous charges are added automatically. If you have freight cost, add appropriate amount for shipping costs. Verify the total. Select a salesperson if you'd like to assign this order to. Verify the billing information. If profile address is different from shipping address, add it here. Once verified, you can submit the order by selecting the Order button. This pops up a Confirm Order dialog. Select OK. This step places the order. You can verify the order, which shows in the order history page with a unique order ID. You can view the order by selecting Order ID. This shows all the details entered earlier. You also have an option to update the delivery date. If you go back to Overview page, you will notice the order summary is displayed at the top. This completes part 5 of our Getting Started tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will review how to complete shipment. Visit Orderjini portal to learn more about placing orders.